time.
Hey guys, I just wanted to start off this video by giving a huge thank you to TULA for partnering with me for today's video. I'm going to be sharing some of my favorite products that I'm currently using with them later on, and I'm also going to be sharing a really good discount code, so make sure you guys stay tuned to check it out. What's up, you guys? Welcome back. So as you guys can tell by this video title, today's video is going to be a relaxing pamper routine self-care night type of vibe, and honestly I need it really bad because I started my time of the month earlier this morning, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I have been a bitch all day, and I spelled that out. I didn't say the word because I actually realized that a lot of you guys watch our videos with your kids. We get so many stories sent to us of you guys watching our videos with your baby or your toddler or anything like that, so I'm gonna try to tone it down with the cussing in the videos. I honestly don't cuss that much, so I'm gonna try to be more aware of it because I don't want you guys to be watching this video with your little cousin and here I am just saying all these words, you know what I mean? So yeah guys, today's video is gonna be a little pamper spa self-care night. I've just been really irritable all day. I guess I'm gonna blame it on my time of the month, but I've just been on a short fuse. Just every little thing has been ticking me off, and I really think I just need to relax, take a moment for myself, and also show you guys what I do on my self-care nights. As you guys know, my parents are in town, so they're with Vaughn right now playing downstairs, but if my parents weren't in town, I would usually wait until Kayvon went to bed and then I would go ahead and do this. I typically like to do, all my pamper routine and workouts and stuff like that after he goes to sleep, so I'm not on a time crunch. I hate knowing that I only have a few hours to do something. I'd rather just have my whole night. I'm gonna start out this self-care night by working out. So I've been really into working out lately. I feel like I've been consistent now for 2 weeks, which is saying a lot for me because I haven't been working out as much, honestly, ever since having Kayvon. So I've definitely been getting back into it because we did finish up our home gym. We're going to be doing a tour on it soon. It's just in our garage, but I love it. It's the perfect size for Mel and I just to do the things that we need to do, and it's really been inspiring me to actually work out. So I'm going to go ahead and work out. I feel like a lot of times, self-care nights and pamper routines just consist of taking a bath and doing a face mask, which is great. I'm going to be doing that later tonight, don't get me wrong, but I feel like there's many ways to take care of yourself and everybody is different. I actually just recently learned this fact, and it makes so much sense that your love language doesn't just apply to your romantic relationships and your partner, it also applies to how you love yourself. So for me personally, you guys know my love language is acts of service. If Mel does things around the house for me, gets things off of my to-do list, to me that's the sweetest thing you can do. I'd prefer that over him buying me a gift or anything like that any day, and that really does apply to the way that I love myself and that I take care of myself. So for me, what I would usually do when I felt really stressed out and I needed to take care of myself is I would clean, I would organize, I would get stuff done on my to-do list, I would take some time for myself, wash my hair, shave, exfoliate. Those are all acts of service that I'm doing for myself. Me cleaning up my room, washing my bed sheets, cleaning up my workspace. To me, that is self-care, that is self-love, and that's not the case for everybody. Some people, their love language is going out and buying themselves something nice. So I really do think it's super beneficial to learn your love language. There is a bunch of quizzes for you guys to take. I actually took a quiz online, which is how I found out about my love language, but you guys can take it down below, but you'd be so surprised how crazy accurate this stuff is. So on my agenda today, I'm going to be working out, and then I'm going to be cleaning up my room, and then I'm going to be taking a bath, exfoliating, shaving, washing my hair, all that jazz. I'm getting a spray tan tomorrow, and usually the night before my spray tan I like to shave and exfoliate and just prep for that. So yeah, that's gonna be our self-care night, and let's just get right into it. So I decided to clean up the room before I did my workout, so here I am just picking up some of the clothes off the floor. I do try to clean our room every single day because I feel like if I just do a small cleanup every day, it never piles up and I don't get stressed out. And I'm not fully making the bed because it's already the middle of the day. It was towards the end of the day. I'm just folding up all the clothes, and then for Mel's clothes, I'll just put it in a pile, and then I'll just put it on his side of the bathroom so he knows to put it away before we go to sleep. Cleaning really is a form of self-care for me. It's very therapeutic for me as well, but I just need a clear space. A clear space is a clear mind, and I just can't function in a messy, unorganized space. So for me to just prioritize some time every single day to just pick up and clean up and don't let it really pile up is really the move for me, and it just helps my next day just go by so much smoother. I'm honestly really proud of myself. Here is another love language, words of affirmation. But I definitely am very proud of myself because I have been consistently working out again. And I've gone through phases where I'll do it for 3 days, 4 days, and then I just won't do it anymore. But I'm really proud of myself that I've been actually doing it pretty much every single day, if not every other day. And I really have to, thank the new home gym for that, because I think if it wasn't for that, I would not be working out still. But basically my workout is just doing 12-3-30. You guys know I love doing that. And then if I don't hit, I usually hit about 330 calories by the time I'm done with that. So then I'll run, like you guys just saw, until I hit 400 calories. So I'll run at a 7 miles per hour until I hit 400. And then an area that I'm really trying to focus on my body is my back and my shoulders. So I like to just turn on the TV. This TV, guys, is such a blessing. YouTube is filled with free workout videos, and I'll put on a back workout or I'll put on an ab workout, and I'll just follow along, play some music, and I absolutely love it. And especially working out during your period is just so good for cramps. It makes you feel so much better about yourself, and it helps me sleep better at night as well. And I just feel better about myself. Even though I look the exact same that I did before I started working out, I just automatically feel snatched. I feel so much better. At the end of the day, you're not going to regret a workout, but you will regret not working out. So that's always what I tell myself. I just have to get myself in there. But once I'm in there, I'm gonna go hard and I'm gonna work out for, an hour. I just have to get on my gym clothes and just get in there. Now I'm just getting my bath essentials all ready, and this tray is from Amazon. So I'm just have my current book that I'm reading, a wine glass filled with Crystal Light. I've been obsessed with Crystal Light. And then I also am going to be grabbing this body exfoliator from Necessaire and my razor that's from Billy. It makes your legs so smooth. And then I'm also using this foot rest to get any of the dead skin off of my feet. I'm also grabbing some skincare items to use during my bath, and I just want to give a huge shout out to TULA for sponsoring today's video. So if you guys aren't familiar with TULA, it is a doctor-founded, clean and effective skincare and wellness brand where 100% of the products are formulated with probiotics and superfoods. I still am currently using my skincare routine of micellar water and retinol, but I love incorporating TULA products into my skincare routine in the forms of their scrubs and their masks. You guys know I'm absolutely terrified of skincare products because I have such sensitive acne-prone skin, but I found that my skin does not break out with TULA. I really think it has to do with the probiotics that are found in all of their products. It's just such a powerful natural ingredient that just helps naturally balance your skin's microbiome and soothe and nourishes your skin, and it really does help boost its appearance. And overall, I just love TULA because they focus on being healthy, not perfect. They don't try to sell you this image of, perfectly photoshopped airbrush skin in real life, because that does not exist, you guys. So I love that they're all about feeling confident in your own skin. Even though I have my acne under control right now, I still struggle with really intense blackheads on my nose. So I love using their So Poreless scrub for the blackheads, and I also go in with this Detox in a Jar mask. I love this mask, you guys. It feels so nice on the skin, and it really draws out all the impurities. You guys can go to TULA.com and use my promo code Nazanin to get 15% off your entire TULA purchase. I'll have it down below for you guys. I finished off my bath by exfoliating and shaving from head to toe, so that's definitely a process. It took me a long time. Hey guys, it is actually the next day. As you guys can tell, I just washed my hair. I just took a shower. I actually continued on my self-care night over to the next day because honestly, to shave, to exfoliate, to wash my hair, to dry my hair and tan and do all of that in one day is just way too much. It's way too overwhelming. So I just wanted to continue it today. I actually got my spray tan last night. I know it doesn't look that dark, but you know, after you rinse off your spray tan, usually you want to wait like a couple hours to a full day for your full tan to really develop. But I'm just quickly gonna put on some moisturizer and some sunscreen since I just took a shower. My favorite sunscreen hands down is this one right here from TULA, the Protect and Glow. Honestly, I feel like everybody loves this. I've seen a lot of people talk about this, but you guys have seen me use this sunscreen a bunch in my videos, like in my morning routines. But I love this sunscreen because look at this. It gives you the prettiest glow. Like, you don't look super oily. You guys know I hate looking oily, but this just gives you that beautiful, like, healthy sheen. Look at the difference between my two hands. Like, it just gives you that, like, slight, beautiful, like, hydrated shimmer. Also gonna take my daily vitamin. You guys know I take Ritual. And then for my hair, so I'm first just going to comb it out and detangle it. And the product I started using like about a month ago, I showed this on my stories, the Color Wow Dream Coat. This stuff, amazing, beautiful. I actually used this on my mom the other day, and someone asked her if she got a keratin treatment. That's how pretty and like smooth her hair looked. So before I hop off this video, I just want to show you guys one more product that I will be using for my self-care routine. I've been using this for the past few days and I really, really like it. I'm just gonna wait until after my morning coffee because I still have my coffee today. But after I drink my coffee, I'm gonna put on some of this Crest whitening emulsions. I think this is like one of their newest products, but I saw a few influencers, you know, sponsoring it, promoting it, and I was like, you know what, that stuff looks really cool. I picked it up from the drugstore. It's actually crazy expensive for the drugstore. I think this was like $70, which I'm not used to seeing that price in like, you know, CVS, but I really do love it. It is cheaper than getting your teeth whitened, you know, professionally, but it comes with this little spatula. You put this little gel on your teeth, and you just leave it on. Like, you don't have to like wash it off later or anything like that, which is why I really like it. Like, you literally just put it on and then just leave it on the rest of the day. And you can also use it multiple times in a day too. So I'm gonna use that after I drink coffee. But that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this self-care pamper routine. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully this video inspires you to maybe incorporate some other things in your day to take some time for yourself and take care of yourself. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys give this video a really big thumbs up. It will really help us out. And also subscribe down below and make sure your post notifications are turned on so you never miss out on a video from us. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again for our next video. Bye, loves.